First of all, I'd like to welcome you to Cost Accounting, and I'd like to give you a little background information on me. Now, I am a student of Syracuse University. I have 4 degrees from Syracuse. My undergrad degree is in Russian language, and I have a second degree in linguistics. Now, you may wonder, what am I doing here? Well, that's because I figured out that I really needed a job that paid me money, so I went back to school to get my master's degree. So I got my MBA and my MS in accounting from Syracuse. So I have 4 degrees from Syracuse, and I just bleed orange and blue. Once I graduated with my master's in accounting, I went to work for a public accounting firm in Syracuse. My expertise is in tax. I really love tax. I would love to talk tax with pretty much everybody, and I look forward to seeing some of you in my corporate tax class later. Now, what I would like to discuss with you, not only the fact that I love tax, but I love teaching. It was at some point during my tax career that I decided that I really got disenchanted with the whole thought process of getting tax deductions and tax credit for rich people, for corporations. What I really wanted to do, my son was born, and I changed my ideas here, and I really wanted to make a difference in the world. And getting tax breaks for rich people really didn't seem to do it for me. So I decided that I was going to go back to school and get my PhD. But in reality, what I really wanted was I wanted to teach. So I contacted one of my professors at SU, and he told me, welcome, let's go teach. And I have spent several years now just devoting myself to the learning aspects for my students and just making my students the best that they could possibly be. Whether they take a career in accounting or finance or marketing, really doesn't matter. What I really want is I want my students to be the best they can possibly be. So what I want to talk to you about also in this introduction is I want to talk to you about what you can expect from this course and what you can get from this course. So basically, once you leave this course, you should have a very good understanding as to how cost management systems work and how they can be designed to support managerial decision making. I want you to be able to recognize what is a relevant cost and what isn't relevant. This is very crucial to management decision making because relevant costs are what we really need. Another thing that I'd like you to take from this course is that you need to recognize that managerial accounting needs are not always provided by the traditional financial reporting. So as cost accountants or managerial accountants, we're going to need to prepare reports that aren't necessarily the normal financial statements like the income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow statement. They're going to need us to prepare some different reports that are going to help them make their decisions. And the last thing I'd like you to take from this course is to encourage thinking outside the box. We're going to go through and do a lot of calculations in this course and analyze a lot of things. And what I want you to do, it's not only about the numbers, it's about what the numbers mean. So I want you to really think about some of the information and some of the numbers that we're calculating and figure out what that really means. So the last thing I'd like you to take a look at is the syllabus. Now, the syllabus is full of lots of relevant information as to what you can expect for the course. I view the syllabus as a contract, and so what you read in the syllabus will give you an idea of what I expect from you as a student and what you can expect from me and any other instructor that's teaching this course. And as always, if you have any questions while you're reading the syllabus or at any other point in time during the teaching of this course, please do not hesitate to contact me or your instructor. That's what we're here for. We're here to help you, we're here to answer your questions, and we're here to get excited about cost.